Hi guys, I'm back today with an unboxing for you, and it is the September 2018, can you believe we're into September already, edition of Glossybox. Now, apologies for the lighting conditions. For the rarest occasion ever, the sun is absolutely blazing in here. So apologies if the lighting's a little skew-whiffy. I'll do the best I can. So yeah, Glossybox. Back to the normal pink boxing. And let's see what's inside. Oh, right. Oh, okay. Right, this is what it looks like. Back to all the traditional colours this month. So I'll open it up. Oh, okay. And that's what we have inside. So let's see what we're going to get. Glossies, listen up. It's the start of a new beauty school year, and our expertly curated edit of 6 products will help you prep and get organised this September. Whether you're heading back to work, university or tackling the dreaded schoolroom, these handbag essentials are perfect for a quick fix before you hurry out the door and while you're on the go. Beauty School kicks off with a brow and lip masterclass. Get back on track and define your features with 2 products in this edit. You'll even learn how to detox your skin and also your scalp for stronger, healthier hair growth with 2 more of our September picks. Don't be a Beauty School dropout. Check out the blog for inspo on how to use the products in your educational edit. Okay, first thing I'll say, this box smells familiar. I actually must already own something in this, I'm sure I do, because it smells really familiar. So yeah, we'll have a look and check, but I think I do. First item then is, oh, I love bubble masks. I'm a huge fan of bubble masks. I've had a couple of the sheet ones, and I got the, is it Eshevera Milk Piggy one? Oh my god, they're so much fun. Basically, if you've never used a bubble mask, you either put, it's like either a normal sheet mask or just looks like clay. You put it on, it starts to bubble. It feels incredible. It's like tickly bubbles. They're fabulous, and they leave your skin so clean. This is the Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubbling Cleansing Mask with activated charcoal. Suitable for all skin types, non-drying. Deep pore and blackhead cleansing, refines pores and reduces oil, suitable for acne prone skin. Against animal testing, 10 minutes, lightweight sheet mask. Oh dear, just ignore that. I've had to put some things up to block the light in the windows, so, and one of them's decided to fall on the floor. So if everything starts to fall down the background, just ignore it. Right, yes, so that's that. See what it says. We know that September can be a tiring time, so we're bringing you this award-winning sheet mask to revive your skin. Using activated charcoal, a miracle worker for blemish-prone skin, and extracts of lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit. This mask is a wonder for detoxifying your skin, refining pores and reducing oil. Sit back and relax while the mask bubbles to create a micro massage which works deep into your pores and cleans away blackheads. This mask is dermatologically tested and cruelty-free too. Recommended retail price $4.95 a full size, so that's that. Definitely be giving that a go. Love a sheet mask and love a bubble mask. Right, put that out of the way. Next product, body mist. Wild Garden Pure and Fabulous Body Mist. This brand new body mist is a handbag or desk essential for a quick freshen up. With notes of pear, waterlily and warm amber. You see, this is what happened. This is why I put the thing on, so yeah, anyway. Pear, waterlily and warm amber. It will transport you to a beautiful wild garden. Spray it over your body and clothes whenever you need a refreshing floral spritz. So that's what it looks like. Pure and fabulous. And this is Waterlily Body Mist. Full size, which is, what's full size? 100 mils, which is $14.95. They've given us an estimated retail. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, hard to say. It smells like sort of posh perfume with a bit of flowers and aquatics in. It's very nice that. Definitely use that because it smells nice. So that's that. Next, Bang Beauty. Let's see what's in here. Little box, Bang Beauty. There we go. Bang Beauty. And in it, oh okay, we have a little brush and a little silver pot. So we'll see what this is. I think, does it say on the box what it is? It doesn't actually say, yes it does. No, it doesn't. It doesn't say on the box what it is, but thankfully we have the boo leaflet. Bang Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Nothing gives you a confidence boost more than a powerful brow. This eyebrow cream has a velvety consistency that applies effortlessly, so you can get HD brows at home. It also comes with an angled brush for applying thick, defined brows that stay in place day and night. Full size, recommended retail price £16.80. Now this is in the colour Milk Chocolate, and that's what it looks like. I think that's probably about the right shade for me. I'm usually about 3 or 4 in Benefit, so that should be the right shade. I'll definitely give that a go. I do like brow stuff. I like the Benefit Gimme Brow, which I use quite a lot, and I use a couple of their pencils quite a lot as well. But I will definitely give that a go and see what that's like. So that's another full size. Next. Karl Lagerfeld for Model Co. Lip liner in Rosewood. Lining your lips is essential for defining and prolonging the wear of your lipstick. Now you can enhance your pout with this soft wax lip pencil. We love the creamy formula and subtle colour too. Apply directly to the contour of your lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. Recommended retail price £25 for a lip pencil? Seriously? Come on, Model Co, that's a lot of money. That's what they're saying anyway. So that's 1.5 grams, so that's another full size. I will, of course, check where I can and see these prices are right. That sounds a lot of money, probably because you're paying for the Karl Lagerfeld, I think. The colour's lovely. The colour is just perfect for everything. Perfect me colour. It feels lovely and soft as well, so hopefully that will be good. £25 though for a lip pencil. I'm not sure I would pay £25 for a lip pencil, but there you have it. As I say, I'll check below and I'll double check and see if that is the price for this. I know that it's a collaboration and they always seem to charge what they like for collaborations, but that does sound quite a lot for Model Co. Anyway, next. This is what, yeah, it is. It's the same product. This came in the Look Fantastic advent calendar that I got last year, and it is the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. It was the same when I opened the advent calendar. You could smell it, and you can smell this through the packaging. Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. Scalp detoxing should be done as part of your regime. Did you know this? Well, it's funny, I've only found this out recently because I got a press release from Philip Kingsley about this. But yeah, we should be detoxing our hair as well as our faces and our bodies. Scalp detoxing should be as a regular part of your regime. The pomegranate enzymes and natural castor oil beads remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We love that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. This is a Deluxe Mini, which is 50 mils, and the price they give for this is £7.37. I haven't used this yet, the one I've already got, but I will definitely be using it because I found it again the other day, so I'm definitely going to give this a go. I do like pre-wash treatments. I'm a big fan of Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, so I'll definitely give this a go. I think my hair could do with a bit of a boost at the moment. It's not playing ball at the minute. Try to straighten it and it just goes wavy. And I broke a set of hair straighteners this week. How often does that happen? Never now. I used to do it all the time and then never mind, they just stopped working. It's this house, everything stops working. So there you go. So I'll definitely give that a go. And the final item, wet ones. They used to be called baby wet ones, but I think they're now established that everybody uses them for everything. The original #1 Be Fresh Refreshing for Hand and Body. Stay refreshed wherever you are. 12 antibacterial wipes. Brilliant for your handbag, things like this. I do have, sanitizing gel and stuff, but I do like a wipe. So I tend to use face wipes, the Primark tea tree ones, but yeah. Whether you need to freshen up or clean up, these handy wipes on the go are a must have. They kill 99.9% of bacteria and are gentle, dermatologically tested and pH balanced, meaning they're suitable from the hands, bodies and the kids too. That is a full size pack and that is worth £1.19. Very handy. In fact, I'm going to use these now because I'm going to clean off, if I can open them, I'm going to clean off that lipstick sample because I've got some more bits to make. So, oh, smell quite nice as well, a bit free. And they've took the lipstick pencil straight off. There we go. Nice, clean my hands. So that was that. Price is well and truly there, as you can see. Item I'm probably most excited about in that box, well, there's two. There's the bubble mask, face mask, and there's the lip pencil because it's just perfect colour for me. So really excited about that, but definitely quite excited to try most of the things. Body mist, as I say, is really nice. Eyebrow cream, we'll see if that's the right colour. Hopefully it will be. And yeah, so the value as per usual is definitely there. I'll put it down below to give you an idea of how much this is worth. And October sneak peek, I'm excited about this one, but what do you bet? Trick or treat, what's coming to your door? We're treating you to the intense antimatter lipstick from Illamasqua, or I'll pay £20 to vamp up your look this Halloween. Watch out for 2 special October editions. So it looks as though there's a purple and there's a pink. If you like Illamasqua, by the way, get yourself down to TK Maxx. I posted this on my Instagram yesterday, but it's in the story highlights. It's on my Insta stories. I got a couple of really nice Illamasqua highlighters for about half of what they should have been. So I was really chuffed with them. So check out my Instagram. I'll link below. And check out, I don't know if the story will still be on, because yeah, I don't know how long are the last 24 hours. But if not, I've got a highlights little tab called Insta haul. So check out that and see the goodies that I got in TK Maxx the other day. So that was that. As I say, I'll put the link below to Glossybox so you can find out more for yourself. I'm currently on tenterhooks because I'm really excited about the Glossybox advent calendar this year. I'm so excited about this. I really want, this is the one that I've set my heart on, and if I don't get it, I probably will cry. I had a press release about it and it was literally fantastic. It's one of the best I've seen. So I'm hoping that I manage to get my hands on it. Fingers crossed. So yeah, hoping I can get my hands on that one. So that's apparently on pre-sale next month, or later this month. So I'm keeping the Glossybox webpage open and I'm keep checking. But I'll link to Glossybox below so you can find out more about Glossybox. I'm led to believe if you're a Glossybox subscriber as well, you get I think you get about £15 off the calendar. So it's well worth it if you want to subscribe just to get your money off your calendar. So that's what I'm going to do, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'll leave a link below. Again, I'll link all the items that I got in the box, and I'll give you an idea of the price so you can look them up yourself and see if you think it's worth it. I think it is. Purely on money, it's worth it. I will use most of the products in there. And yeah. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and of course don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other social media channels, including my Insta, which I'll link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.